Some beautiful people. Today we'll be learning how to set up a ChatGPT account and just how to set up a ChatGPT account. I think some of us are finding it very difficult to still use this free technology that's available to us today. So in this video, I'm giving you a very detailed description on how to set up an account so you can start doing your writing and doing all stuff. See you in the class. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much. So here's a quick one. This is how you set it up. First of all, you go to openai.com. Yes, just as you see there, you go to openai.com. You scroll down a little, just scroll down a little. Then you see this place they call Try Chat GPT. You see Try Chat GPT, you click on it. After you click on it, it will take a while, it will load, depends on your internet connection. Then once it loads up for you, you once you close up for you, depends on your internet connection, forgive mine, then you still log in and sign up. So since you don't have an account, you click on what? Sign up now. Once you click on the sign up, yes, you click on the sign up there. Once you click on the sign up, you will be prompted to create an account. It's either to put your email, then you continue. But if you have an account linked to your Chrome browser already, you can just easily click sign in with Google. Most times I don't like using this. I just click sign in with Google and that's it. Now I click sign in with Google. Okay, you click sign in with Google. Now it will prompt you to choose an account. I'll choose code with Vic, one of my mail accounts I created for this video. Then you you just let it do its normal stuff. Then it will load. It will do some loading process for you. Now once you finish loading, you are as good as in. It will ask you just to verify your account, tell us about you. If any name you want to be used there, you create the name, but I leave mine as a default. Then it asks you to put your phone number. It auto detects your region, so it asks you to put in your phone number for verification. So I will key in my phone number for the sake of this video. It is blurred out. I'll key in my phone number, and once that phone number is imputed, I'll click send via SMS, send code via SMS. Yes, now verify the number, send code via SMS, and once the number has been sent to my phone now I will impute the code that has been sent to my mobile device. Now I will impute the code, which is the number is 339 339 054. Yes, that's the number. So I impute it and that's it. Voila. You are in. When I mean you are in already. It's just for you to accept their terms of usage. Click next, next, next. You click done. Then this is chat GPT for you. Let's just quickly try out something. You see, I just put okay, who are you? Then it will bring a prompt, it will bring an answer for me. I just put in the prompt and it will give me an answer. So you can ask it any question, tell it to write an article for you, write a poem, do some research work for you, ask him to summarize a text for you. It does everything that you desire for you for now. And it's a suggestion model, so you have to also read it through to make sure that the information is giving you, they are actually correct and they are in line with what you want to use them for. So thank you very much for this session. So let's quickly dive in and conclude our video. Thank you very, very much.